Hello everyone, welcome to online trade show. I'm Sammy from Fosan Suoer factory. Today I would like to introduce you our on-grid inverter SOG series. We have two models, 3 kilowatt and 5 kilowatt. And now let's see the details. We have this heat dissipation thing so that we can realize the natural cooling. And with this 3 kilowatt, we have the hole to install this inverter. And 5 kilowatt, we will need to use this holder. And this holder we can also find in our packing patterns. And it is very easy to install and it is in fashion design. And here, let's see the terminals. This is the PV input terminal. 3 kilowatt have one pair of positive and negative ports. And the 5 kilowatt, we have two pairs of ports. And here is the AC output connect to the grid. And here in the middle is the DC switch. And it's below here, we have the RS485 and RS232 communication interface so that we can connect to the Wi-Fi plug and the computers. Now here, we have connect with our solar panel and the grid. Here is connect to the solar panel, and it is with the MPPT technology, and the open circuit voltage will be about 450 watts and no more than 500 watts. And here we connect to the grid so that we can provide the power to the grid. And after we all well connected the cables, we can switch on this machine. And here we can see the output power and the input power of the inverter. Now let's try to press these buttons. And the up and down buttons, if we soft press it, it is the page up and down. And if we long press the buttons, we can go into the setting menus, such as setting the countries, languages, and so on. Now we are setting the countries. Yeah. When we connect to this inverter, after we connect with the PV input, we can set the countries and then connect to the grid. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Yeah, and here, like I said before, we have this RS485 port. We can connect to the Wi-Fi plug. Now we will show you how to connect it. First, we will have this Wi-Fi plug. We can install it in the RS485 port. Fix it with the screws. Here we are with the Wi-Fi plug user menu. When we need to scan to this QR code to download the remote monitoring apps. Now, after we have installed in the inverter, we will need to set in our mobile. First, scan the QR code to download these apps. It is used for remote monitoring. Yes, we can from these apps we can show more details. After we finish download these apps, we will need to register the account. And then get into it. And now we need to connect with our inverter. We will need to set in our wireless webs list, add this Wi-Fi. And then we will need to connect with the wireless web. After success setting, we will need to we success connect with our website and the inverter, our wireless web. Next, we log in this app. Here we can see the details data of this. We need to create a new power station. After creation, it is successfully connected with our inverter. And then scan this PN, this PN code. Now, and input the password. Then we can see the information of the inverter, such as the input voltage, input current, input power, and the grid information, and the temperatures, and so on, so that we can realize the remote monitor of this machine. Okay, thank you. Now, besides this, we also have the complete protection of our inverter, such as islanding protection, over temperature protection, leakage protection, over current protection, over voltage protection, and so on. With these protections, we can use with our inverter well and long time. And that's all for our on-grid inverter today. Thank you for your watching. If you have any questions, welcome you contact us. And if you have want to know more about our Suoer products, welcome you click to our Suoer website and check more information. Thank you.